gypsy, I have roamed from place to place. But you never came for me, Lord, how happy I would be just to look again upon your smiling face. If I should wander back tonight, would you be waiting? Would your eyes be filled with love's own tender light? Would your arms be empty, dear? Would the thrill to find me here? Would you love me if I wandered back tonight? Fragrance to the springtime, I recall the roses twining round your door. I fancy that I'd homeward stay, as I seem to hear you say that you love me as you did in the days of yore. If I should wander back tonight, would you be waiting? Would your eyes be filled with love's own tender light? Would your arms be empty, dear? Would you thrill to find me here? Would you love me if I wandered back tonight? Last night I dreamed that you and I were back together, and I held your hand so gently in my own. I heard you say we'd never part, as I pressed you to my heart, and I woke again to find myself alone. If I should wander back tonight, would you be waiting? Would your eyes be filled with love's own tender light? Would your arms be empty, dear? Would you thrill to find me here? Would you love me if I wandered back tonight? If I should wander back tonight, would you be waiting? Would your eyes be filled with